Now question number 7. Question is the 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of that AP. Okay. Now student, here directly AP is not given. Instead of that 11th term and 21st term is given. And we have to find out 41st term. Now to find out 41st term we require the first term and common difference. Okay. So that first term and common difference we will find out from this information. Okay. So we will write what is given here. 11th term is denoted as T11. So T11 is equal to 16 and 21st term is T21, which is given 29. And what we have to find out? 41th term means we have to find out T41. Okay. So again we will use nth term formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now here 11th term is given. Therefore, T11 is equal to A plus T11 means n is equal to 11. So here we will put n is equal to 11. 11 minus 1 into D. Okay. Now T11 is given 16. So here we will write 16 equal to A plus 11 minus 1 10D. Okay, so here we will get one linear equation in two variable A and D. So we will write that equation proper way. A plus 10D is equal to 16. This is our equation number 1. Let us highlight this equation. Okay. Now next T21 is given. So same way we will follow the steps and we will get second equation. So here instead of T11 we will write T21 equal to A plus, so n is equal to 21 minus 1 into D. Now T21 is given 29. So write here 29 equal to A plus 21 minus 1 20D. So write the equation in proper way. A plus 20D is equal to 29. This is our equation number 2. Follow? So here we got two simple linear equations in two variable A and D. So we already studied how to solve linear equation in two variable. Here you can see that the coefficient of variable A is equal and it is having plus sign. So we will do subtraction. So we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. That means which equation we will write first? Second equation. Therefore, A plus 20D equal to 29. We have to subtract the first equation here. A plus 10D equal to 16. Now as we know that due to this subtraction, so each term of this second equation change its sign. So here A will become minus, here minus, here minus. Now A plus minus A gets cancelled. 20D minus 10d, we will get 10d. And 29 minus 16, 9 minus 6, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. 10d equal to 13. Therefore, d is equal to 13 divided by 10. Okay. Therefore, we got d is equal to 13 divided by 10. Write in decimal form. 1.3. Okay. Now we got the value of d. Now this value we will substitute either in first equation or in second equation, and we will get the value of a. Substituting d equal to 1.3 in equation 1. Okay, so first equation is a plus 10d equal to 16. Therefore, a plus 10 into 1.3 equal to 16. Therefore, a plus 10 into 1.3, 13 equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Understood? So, from this first given information, we got the value of d and a. Okay. So, here we got a equal to 3, d equal to 1.3 and n is equal to 41, because we want to find out now 41th term. Therefore, T41 is equal to, again we have to apply this nth term formula. Okay, so according to this formula, T41 is equal to, a we got 3 plus bracket n minus 1 and n is equal to 41. So 41 minus 1 into d. d is equal to 1.3 equal to 3 plus 41 minus 1, 40. 40 into 1.3. So 3 plus, now we have to multiply 1.3 multiplied by 40. So 13 fours are 52 and this 0. So if you take 0 here, it is adjust with this decimal point. So 40 into 1.3 we will get 52. So 3 plus 52 is equal to 53. Therefore, T41 is equal to 53. And therefore, we can write the answer 41th term of the given AP is, sorry, see here mistake is there, 3 plus 52 is 55. So AP is 55. Understood? So student, whenever such type of questions given, okay, you can apply this method. You will get two linear equations in variable a and d, and by solving it you will get a and d value and you can find out next term. Followed?